If even numbers are the symbol of perfect balance, then odd numbers represent the broken sequence. By structural definition, an odd number is any integer that leaves a remainder of 1 and cannot be chopped evenly into pairs of 2. This rhythmic family scales up directly 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and on to infinity, represented globally by the capital letter O. The mathematical set is easy to map out, but what happens when you meet a massive value like 3843? You don't need long division, just use this single second hack. Look entirely at the very last digit. Because this value ends in a 3, it is instantly flagged as odd. Change that final digit to a 2, like 3842, and the number shifts immediately to even.